What do we do when we get a call from a client to start the process of evaluating a claim? And that's most of what we do is evaluating and prosecuting insurance claims. So there's common wisdom that we follow a phased approach, which in the phased approach is the first phase you investigate, you understand, and you research the law. So basically you'll take the policies, you'll research the law, you'll take the notice letters, you'll take the insurance company's letters, and you'll basically understand everything there is to know legally and factually about the claim. And from that, you'll put together a strategy. What's the best thing to do? Go away, drop it? Usually not. Follow forward with it? If so, do you negotiate? Do you sue? What do you do? Most typically, then you follow that with phase two. And phase two is not suing, it's engaging the insurance company. So what you do is you engage the insurance company, you send them a letter, which basically tells them why it's covered. That gives them something to give to their boss and their boss's boss to convince them why they should pay $5, $10, $15, $20 million. It's not that simple usually, but you have to start with that process to engage the insurance company. You'll go back and forth and you'll sort of reach some level of agreement on what's covered and what's not covered, and then you move to phase three. Now, phase three is where you resolve the claim. There's a lot of ways to do that. One is you can sue. Two is you can move it to mediation. Three is you can just have a meeting. Sit down with the insurance company people, sit down with your client and say, look, we're all going to spend X number of $1 million trying to figure this thing out. The claim's only worth X number of $1 million. Why don't we just figure out a way to solve this? Now that often works. It doesn't always work. But the three-phased approach is something that we try to follow. But it's all contingent on phase one, and that is what's the best strategy. Sometimes the best strategy is to file a lawsuit, and we're not afraid to do that. There are times when you can tell, and you know from our experience, that the insurance company is not going to roll over and they're not going to pay.